Hey guys, look, hey, I am excited that you are here, and I'm excited that I'm here. Look, I've been trying to push this program out for a very, very long time. In fact, I was supposed to start delivering this program all the way back in February this year. But as we all know, COVID 19 and the pandemic, well, it had some changes coming for all of us. But I'm glad we're all here. I'm glad we made it through, and I am ready for a very exciting new year to come. So let me tell you what this channel was about. This channel is about helping you become a badass content creator and take your business to the next level. So, what is a badass content creator? Well, a badass content creator is someone that understands their business. You know exactly who you're creating content for. You know exactly what type of content is going to work with them, and you're hitting your target every single time. Now, in order to do those three things, you have to understand customer development, customer acquisition, prospecting. And we're going to spend, probably 60 to 70% of our time in that prospecting customer acquisition area. And in case you don't know what these are, this is your top of funnel type content. These are the things that attract people to your brand. It tells people who you are and what you're doing and how you can help fix their problem. And it moves them through your funnel. We're going to talk about how to do that. We're going to teach you and show you and walk with you on everything from developing the content to planning your shoots, shooting, editing, and final delivery. Right? We're gonna cover the whole piece, right? And at the end of the day, it's about taking your business to the next level. So let me leave you with this one tip, and I think it's the thing that really sets this channel off and pushes us on the way. So the one thing I need you to do is decide whether you are growing a business or you're growing a hustle, right? Now, there's nothing wrong with hustle, right? We all have a hustle. I have a hustle. I'm pretty sure you do. And if you don't, you should have one. But the way you approach the two is different. If you have a hustle, then you want to find things that's quick, right? Stuff that you don't have to put a lot of effort into. Maybe you have to throw a landing page up or something like that, for holiday sales or, different events that's going on through the year. And you just brought 1,000 items or 1,000 pieces of product, 1,000 socks or whatever that is. And you want to get rid of it, right? It already has a true market. Only thing you need to do is plug yourself into it. But if you're growing a business, that's an entirely different thing, right? You need to understand how your business is developed out, and if you don't have it, we're going to help you, right? We're going to show you all of those things, and we're going to make it easy. I'm going to give you template after template, and I'm going to walk you through how to develop your company out. It's going to be so easy. It's going to be so fun. We're going to be doing storyboards. I'm going to show you how to set up video shoots. I'm going to show you how to edit it. I'm telling you, it's going to be awesome and it's going to rock. So, my name is Freddie. This is God Next Media. I am glad you're here, and I am glad I'm here to go on this journey with you. I look forward to building with you. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get back to work because, as you can see, I am editing a project right now. Have fun. Let's get ready for 2021, y'all. We gonna do it. It's gonna be big.